Hi, welcome to Tech Tips and Tech Stuff. My name is Ron, and today I'm going to show you how to spruce up your Zoom meetings. Now, some people with Zoom like to show just the background, clean up the house before they go online, before they start the meeting, and get it all organized so they don't look like a slob. But if you don't want to go through that hassle, there's a way you can change your background every time you go on the Zoom. I'll show you how it's done. So mouse over your window until you get the video icon. Click on the little arrow, go to video settings, and select virtual background. I have a number of images and videos here. You can put images or videos. This is an image here of, it's actually a screenshot of a video I took north of the city in Airdrie. And so it looks pretty cool. You can put any image you want behind you. It's whatever you want. But you can also put video. So here's a video I took around Calgary and out in the country as well. So you can have video playing. The only problem is with this is, you see this? If you're using green screen, you wouldn't have this. The technology is pretty good. We're not using green screen. It's pretty good. It actually looks really, really well. But if you had a green screen, you wouldn't see this. This kind of distortion with the fingers, and it's not really picking it up that well. But it still works well. It still works well. The green screen would eliminate all that, and you have just a crystal clear image of you and the background. That's how green screen will operate. It works really, really well. But I just want to show you today how to spruce up your backgrounds in Zoom, especially if you have a messy house and you don't want people to see it all the time. Just put a virtual background on there. And one thing I found, it says it supports MP4, and MOV, QuickTime files. I have a problem with my computer. Does not want to support MP4. I have to use MOV files. So if you're having that same problem in your computer, you're going to have to get a program that will convert an MP4 to MOV, and then try that. These are MOV files right now, and they run perfect on my computer. So just want to bring along this tip to you. If you're doing lots on Zoom, just to spruce up your backgrounds and make it look a little more interesting, and show off your work. If you found this video helpful in any way, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.